Hello and welcome to Ingwa News. Harmal Panchkroshi High School celebrated Independence Day with a notable guest including former Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar. The event was attended by various dignitaries, adding a special significance to the school's commemorations of the nation's freedom and heritage.
गोंयकारांनी बरी मजल मारल्या हाच्या बद्दल आमकां सगळ्यांक अभिमान आसूंक जाय. देश स्वतंत्र करून घेवपाक किंवा गोंय मुक्त करपाक शेकडो लोक तांचे बलिदान जालां आनी तातूंतसून त्या अपार कश्टांतसून आमकां मेळ्ळें स्वातंत्र्य किंवा गोंयांक मेळ्ळी मुक्ती ही खूप मोठी आसा. आमचे सगळ्यांचे जीवनमान बदलणारी आसा. तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी त्याचो बऱ्यापैकी उपयोग करतात हेवूय दिसता. म्हणजे आमचे विद्यार्थी म्हणून हांव पळयतां तालुका स्तराचेर आसात किंवा प्रदेश राज्य स्तराचेर आसात, ज्या ज्या वेळार खंयच्याय स्पर्धेंत भाग घेतात त्या वेळार एक जबरदस्त उत्साह आमकां तुमी दितात. मागीर ती क्विज कॉम्पिटिशन आसूं किंवा संस्कृत श्लोक पाठांतर आसूं, कथाकथन आसूं किंवा राष्ट्रीय एकात्मता गीत स्पर्धा आसूं, विद्यार्थी म्हणून आमी काम बरें करतात. फुडें तुमचे कडेन आदर्श नागरीक म्हणून घडचे हेवूय आसात.
To commemorate India's 78th Independence Day, Valpai Hegdewar Vidyalaya celebrated Akhand Bharat Day with great enthusiasm. The highlight of the event was a grand torch procession that took place in the Valpai, symbolizing unity and the enduring spirit of a united India. The procession drew significant participations from students, staff and local residents, making it a memorable and patriotic celebration.
ते आयज आमकां आमच्या ह्या युवा पिढीच्या मनान तेवत अशें दवरपाक जाय, रुजू करपाक जाय की तेंच्यांनी ते विचार घेवन तेंचे विचार घेवनूच फुडें आमचे जे भवितव्य आसा, आमचो जो भारत देश आसा तो एकजुटीन रावपाचो आमी प्रयत्न करपाक जाय. खरेंच हांव आमचे जे हेगडेवर हायस्कुलाची प्रिन्सिपल आसा, जावं अध्यक्ष आहा, पालक संघाचे अध्यक्ष आहा, तेंचे हांव अभिनंदन करता.
1947 ह्या वर्साक भारताक स्वातंत्र्य मेळ्ळें. म्हणजे भारताचेर परक्यांचें राज्य आशिल्लें, ताज्या पासून आमकां स्वातंत्र्य मेळ्ळें. पूण हें स्वातंत्र्य संपूर्ण आशिल्लें काय कितें? कारण भारताच्या स्वातंत्र्या खातीर जे लोक झगडटाले त्या लोकांनी संपूर्ण स्वातंत्र्याची मागणी केल्ली. स्वातंत्र्यवीर सावरकर आसत, सुभाषचंद्र बोस आसत किंवा ताज्या पयलीं चंद्रशेखर आझादान संपूर्ण स्वराज्याची घोशणा दिल्ली. लोकमान्य टिळकान सदांच म्हणिल्लें की संपूर्ण स्वराज हो आमचो अधिकार आसा म्हणून. आणि अशा पद्दतीच्या संपूर्ण स्वराज्या खातीर जेन्ना आमी सगळे झगडटाले त्या वेळाचेर काही नतद्रष्ट्या लोकांनी आमच्या मनान एक आमकां विचार दिलो, आमच्या मनान एक विचार घालो की संपूर्ण स्वराज म्हणजे कितें, तुमचो भारत देश वा भारत देश एक केन्नाच नाशिल्लो म्हणून.
Green Rosary High School marked India's 78th Independence Day with a unique and vibrant celebration, featuring a cultural program that highlighted the rich diversity of the country. Students performed folk dances from various regions of India, captivating the audience with their colorful costumes and energetic performances. The event not only celebrated the spirit of independence but also fostered a deep appreciation for the diverse cultural heritage that unites the nation. Panchayat Minister Mervyn Godino presided over the flag hoisting ceremony for the Independence Day, marking a solemn and proud moment for the community. The event was a significant occasion reflecting the unity and patriotic fervor of the local residents.
Viksit Bharat 2047, when we will be celebrating 100 years of our independence. Other nations took a lot of time to mature into countries, for their democracies to mature. In fact, some of the top leaders at a time of attainment of freedom said, India, it is very difficult to survive with the type of divisions, with the type of diversity. Today, all our countrymen have proved them wrong, and proved them wrong big time. We have marched forward to great progress. Point out to me a single field where as a country we have not progressed. Show me one place, particularly in the last maybe 10 years, the change in policies, ease of doing business, introducing new reforms for the running of this country, including GST, which is one of the biggest reforms, one nation, one tax, shows that we are in tune with the world. We are attuned to achieving progress. We are attuned to marching forward as a very cohesive people, excelling in the various fields that our citizens choose to take in their profession. And I must say, this is possible because of the leaders that have given you policies where energies of youth, energies of women, energies of your countrymen of all ages can be channelized in the great task of nation building. You look around in Goa itself, look at what happened in perhaps the last 12 years or so, how much progress Goa has seen.